Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the unboxing and the working of iRobot 692 robot vacuum, which is very good home helper, I will say. So it has a side brush which has three sides, and there are two other roller brushes. You can see one is rubber and one with bristles. So I'll just open it. So on opening, mainly we see like there are mainly three parts. So one is robot which will do the vacuum. This is the charging station which you have to put somewhere where we have very Wi-Fi connectivity and the plug socket, so that it can easily connect and you can run it with your mobile application because of the connectivity of Wi-Fi. So this is the charging station you see on after the battery get discharged. So this is whenever the battery will be discharged, the robo vacuum robot will come to this charging station by itself. So that is like a very good self-charging feature. So I'm going to connect this wire in the charging station and I'll put in the socket. So first these are the wheels, and you see there are two roller brushes, and I will remove this slip yellow color tag, so that it can be start working. You see the blue color, that is the filter inside that. You can remove it and clean after the multiple jobs is done. It will be filled with dust, so you need to clean it regularly. I will tell you how to open this. So this yellow button, when you click, so from here you can clean the dust, and if you want to change or clean the roller brushes also, that also you can do. So I am going to run this robot now, and you can see how it goes to towards the wall, towards the corners and the toys in the room, and see that how good it is. So and you can just see like whether it is matching your requirement or not. So the robot has been started and it has started the cleaning. Okay, just watch this video and put your comment if you want to ask something about this robot vacuum or anything related to that.